Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Thank you guys for watching this and subscribing. We're growing crazy fast, thanks to you guys. Today we'll show you guys how to remove and replace the power door lock switch on Volkswagen Touareg 2004 to 2010 model. We're talking about, okay, this thing right here. Passenger side will be identical as well, so stay with us and we'll show you how to do that now. We'll demonstrate on the driver's side. Thank you guys for watching. Okay guys, so now we need to remove that cap right there. Okay, and we have two screws bolts with T30, Torx 30, that we'll need to remove. Okay, as you can see, they're loose already. If you're working on the passenger side, okay, there will be some differences there. You won't have those screws underneath that plastic, but you have them under the door handle. Okay, the same thing. You can see two of them. So that's the difference right there that we can think of now. So now we need Torx 20, and underneath the door panel there is two more. Okay, you see that we need to remove. Okay, one is out. Now the second. We have mosquitoes the size of birds here right now. It's not at the shop. Okay, we pull those bolts that we already got loose. So now you need to grab it or use a prying tool, okay, and get all the clips loose, and then you lift straight up, I believe, towards the end. Okay, like that, so we can get it loose. Next, we have all the wires holding there. Okay, we have the cable, lock cable there that we need to remove. Okay, so you see what we're doing in order to remove that thing now. Okay, we'll need to spread it there on both sides. Okay, and it comes out towards the back and you need to pull the cable out. Next we have that cable, okay, right here, that we'll need to disconnect as well. We have the one that goes towards the door computer. Okay, and we'll show you how you do this one, the main cable here. Okay, this one, guys, you need to, okay, when you lock it like that, there is a place that it gets stuck. Okay, right here, you need to press this thing down. Okay, the silver thing down. One of us will need to press it. Okay, so, okay, let me show you. So we can slide this thing over, okay, like that. Next we need to disconnect that wire. Okay, press in on both sides and pull it out. So all the clips for the door panel, as you can see, are, okay, right here, 1, 2, 3, one is missing, 2 screws on the bottom and 3 on this side. Alright guys, so the power door lock switch, which is this one right here, okay, is actually right here. So all we have to do now, right here, you have 4 teeth holding, so you need to 2 actually holding. You need to spread it out with the screwdriver. Okay, let me show you where exactly. Right here. You can see one here, and you need to disconnect the wire. Okay, and this is the switch. The wire, you have that piece that you press down and you pull the wire out, and this is the switch, guys. Okay, right here. That's where it gets locked. Okay, in place, this side and this one right here. So that's how you guys remove it. When you install it, all you need to push it in, connect the wire, install the panel, and you're ready to go. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.